What's up, all? SPC Melbourne, WWS69 here, with we're going to be issuing a hazardous materials warning on my new TFT EAS 911, as seen here. So essentially, this will also serve as a tutorial to easily send alerts on this thing. Now keep in mind, don't get this thing to issue alerts. If you plan on issuing it, like as an EAS fan, just issuing it straight up as a transmitter, oh boy, enjoy time behind bars, because that is a serious offense and the FCC will come knocking at your door in no time. But if you get it just to tinker around with it just because you're an EAS fan like I am, then go ahead. Now, I'm sure there's a way to just set it up to one radio. One thing I theorized is that you could just, like, there's a port at the back of most radios where there's like an audio line 1 in. So if you hook this up to a computer audio, which I know you can then transmit to a radio, but that's assuming you have absolutely nothing on channel 2 on each radio, because most of the time it only works if there's channel 2. Nothing else is picking up. So let's get to it. So first, what you want to do is you press password here, and the password, which mine is 911. Actually, the default password on most of them is just 911. So there you go. Exposed, whatever. So I don't have mine marked, but I put it at the bottom. Hazardous materials warning. So essentially, if you want to set one up or encode it to a key, you do the password thing once with your main password, then twice with your setup password, and then you scroll up to number 13 and then assign it to something. So I press it here to issue the alert. Now it'll show hazardous materials warning, blah blah blah, H7W. Confirm. And then I'll set it to location 4, just because it's one location. I don't want to waste the ink in that thing. Actually, it has less than you might think. So you hit confirm again. Enter duration. I'll set it for 45 minutes. And then send header. This thing will start blinking, and you do this. It'll say sending header, and most of the time you'll get this error. No response, but then it issues. Yeah, that audio comes out automatically. You don't have to buy a speaker or anything. Beautiful music to my ears. And I don't have a audio line 1 in, so I'll just press end of message because I don't have anything to say. Nobody's receiving it anyway. Now, the manual thing will light up a nice orange there. And I'll print it out, actually. You can't read it on here, but... Also, it issued, like, none of my alerts have gone off, or none of my radios have gone off, and that's a good thing.
6 to 9 feet.
There's proof.
Slight chance of showers.
Now it's done printing out after a rolling sound. Let's get the thing turned off here. Do not use the teeth, by the way. I did that when I did this for the first time, and the teeth just came off and it misaligned the ink. So don't make that mistake. And I'll move that thing back a little bit here. And I'll read it to you because the ink on this thing is too light for this thing to pick up. Station transmit log. A hazardous materials warning has been issued for the following counties: Dakota, Minnesota. I live in Florida. I ordered this off eBay, and I can't change that. December 26, 2018, blah, 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 blah. A message issued by a broadcast station or cable system and transmitted 1641, December 26, 2018, WCCO/DT. And then it's protocol text and all that. And that's, boring stuff unless you have a Discord bot. Now that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. SBC Melbourne, WWS69, signing off.